Hey guys, how's it going? As you can see, we're down here at Waikato Door Specialist. What do we got here? Lots of different doors in their showroom. It's pretty cool to actually see them functioning in an office like this, isn't it, Jace?
Absolutely. Welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato doors. I'm standing underneath a nice little roller door, Sean, sectional door.
I think you might want to come inside and just check out one of the motors that go on a lot of our sheds. So this is a GDO 10 motor. You can also get a GDO 12 motor. A little bit difference. If you go on the website, there's a little bit of specs difference between the two. But yeah, a lot of our motors are actually just these roller door GDO 10s. So as you can see, functions quite nicely, not loud at all.
Colour steel, New Zealand steel, that's what we're all about. That's it. A lot of the time clients, purchase it. A great chance is to get the shed ordered, get it underway, get it going through council, get the building consent, but talk to us and say, hey, can I spec out my doors a little bit different? And whilst I'm talking about saying a little bit different, these guys used to install these high-end Ferrari style Italian doors. Unfortunately, no one in New Zealand had the money for them, so they've stopped being imported. But check this out. And you can just imagine this opening up with the sweet Ferrari inside.
One day that'll be us, won't it?
Absolutely.
I hope so.
For sure. But if we come on through, we've also got some great options on what we can do. So a lot of our sheds, they'll start off with a Newport style on there for the sectional doors. We do a lot of these nice flat panel Aspen doors. These are really modern, and you're only talking a couple of $100 difference, so that's what you might initially see on the quote, but we can definitely upgrade and do these different styles. This one here, actually steel as well, so you could get a wood look. I know we've got one coming up where we're going to do these cedar doors as well on a barn house that we've got building. So lots of great options. Gary Door, Waikato Doors are doing the business, and they actually make their own doors as well here. So you've got some high-end steel, toughened glass and that. So it is a wonderful world of doors.
If you want to show off your toys, definitely those glass ones look pretty good, don't they?
Absolutely, that's it.
I just want to let you guys know there's a lot more options than just your classic roller door, your classic sectional door. If you want to customize it, talk to us about it so we know, and we can always make it work. But as you also know, it can match them with your shed, colour steel colours, whatever you want really.
Absolutely. Waikato Doors been around forever. Waikato Sheds, we've been around, so it's a great correlation, and we just want to make sure you guys are getting your best shed. Why don't we go and have a quick look inside their factory, see what they're doing, and check that out.
Alright guys, as you can see, they got a lot of awesome awards as you go into their offices. Some of the best in the business, that's why we're with them. And yeah, come inside, we'll cover a little bit of their storage. I wonder where Jason went. So down here is just oh, there he is.
G'day guys, just admiring beautiful shed work in here. Got some structural steel beams in here, concrete slabs on there, nice rod bracing on there. Just, it's not our shed, but man, I love all sheds. And I just found something else here, We always talk about bird brush on the doors, sometimes you might need to just comb that hair. People wonder how I look so sharp every day, a little bit of bird brush to keep it all looking good. But this also stops the birds getting into there, so it's great. We specify it on every single roller door we do. Some people try to add it as an optional extra. I don't see something like that as an optional extra. I see that as a must-have on every job.
As you can see, a lot of doors in here. Most of them look like sectional doors. Brian was saying some of these ours, hopefully we see them on site soon, eh?
Yeah, that's it. I mean, you won't wonder what's happened. Supply chain issues over the last couple of years has meant that a lot of our suppliers have had to just stock up on product. We used to be able to order things that would take 3 weeks and it'd get there. Now, sometimes it's months and months, so to prevent that, everybody's just been stocking up, making sure we've got the materials there to deliver the product. So, good on them, investing into it so we can deliver the sheds that we need to.
Maybe we need to build them a bigger shed one day.
I think we should make that happen.
Exactly. Follow us, we'll go have a look at their more storage around the corner.
Check that out, rapid door. If you've got to make a quick getaway, that's what you're going to need in there. That was impressive.
I know, I don't think I've seen a roller door go quicker than that before in my life.
No.
Alright guys, this is their main little workshop in here. As you can see, a little bit bigger than before. It's not the only one they have either. There's still more. Like I said, there's a lot of doors on order, and obviously they're just trying to get them all out to site. But yeah, come through, have a look.
Alright, one of the things you'll notice is all the packaging on the doors and that. we try our hardest, B&D, Waikato Doors, we all try our hardest to make sure that we're getting damage-free doors to site, but hey, human error happens between them getting manufactured in Christchurch, shipped up the country, delivered to the sites and that. But hey, everything's under warranty and we want to ensure that you're going to get the right door on the right shed and it's all going to be perfect in the end. So if there's ever any issues, we'll sort it out. So, you know.
Flick me an email. I'm always here to look after you, and I can get in contact with the suppliers and the installers and just try find out what's happened and obviously get you the perfect door that you need. Oh, I didn't see you there. As you can see, we're just in the little steel workshop room at the back of the Waikato Doors area. As we just came through where all the storage is, and what do you reckon they do down here, Jace?
Well, it's the mighty Waikato, and what makes the mighty Waikato so mighty? We're growing stuff and we're building stuff and we're manufacturing things. So these guys here, they've got all their gear, we've tried it out, we were pretty hopeless, what a surprise. We're just making all the steel work from steel posts to the doors themselves. It's just the old school steel working, which is just what we're all about, because Waikato sheds, steel sheds, they're the best. So yeah. I just wanted to show off this cool as workshop, I mean.
Brings me memories back to metalwork at high school.
Yeah, that's it. All right, let's go and check out a few more doors underneath the storage, eh?
As you can see, lots of doors everywhere. What do we have, Jace?
This is the storage area, so we've got a huge amount of commercial doors, normal roller doors, we've even got some roller shutter doors and that. But I was just chatting to Sean and he brought up a good point of what do you need to expect if you're a Kitset client and you're picking up the doors. You got any hints or tips for them, Sean?
Yeah, so perfect. So transporting these doors is quite a big deal. Obviously you don't want to break them, damage them, etc. Definitely recommend a two-man job, especially for lifting them on and off the trailer. But then what we expect is a nice big flat deck. Obviously you want to know how big your door is first, make sure you got the right size trailer. But if you are a Kitset client, we recommend bringing a trailer, we recommend bringing 1 or 2 people, and then yeah, you're good to go from there.
And that's it. And for a lot of clients, we'll organise the door install for the Kitset at the beginning of the process, but hey, we can do that at any part of the process. Obviously in the Waikato, we're getting with our mates at Waikato Doors, but we have friends up and down this beautiful country that can help you install those doors, and we can go negotiate you some good rates and get that all taken care of for you. So as we always say, if you need any help, just ask us, we'll be able to sort it out for you. You're not alone if you get in a beautiful Waikato Sheds shed.